In order to put the clutch back onto the chainsaw, it's important to get these pieces in the correct order. So the first piece we have here is this washer, and this just slides over the shaft right there. Then we have this outer piece here, and it has a needle bearing in there, and that just helps it slide real smooth. Slide that right on there, just like that. Now we can take the bigger washer, put that on top of that, and then we have the actual clutch right here, and then this will thread onto here. Remember, it's a reverse thread. I forgot about that. That would take a little while to get this on if you didn't know it was a reverse thread. So now that we have this on, we're going to tighten this up. So this is our homemade spanner wrench. This is actually just a piece from a gear puller, and it just so happened that these two holes are the right size that slide on there. Now with my hand on the flywheel over here, I can grab this and tighten this, and that reverse thread really messes with you. So now we'll tighten that up. Put that nice and tight. Now that's on there.